Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. This is my March 2021 Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. I'm late on this one. It was a little late on getting in, but that's okay. My April one's still not here and it's the 21st. Things happen. Alright, so this month the bag, so cute. Got all the women on it. I love it. I love the bags. I love Ipsy bags. So this was inside and it was kind of talking about the theme of the bag, and then it tells you on the back about the add-ons, and then on the inside it tells you everything that you should get. This month I did not choose any add-ons, but I did get this. I'm going to go down the list so that I won't be jumbled. I've got the Shiny Bee Miami highlight brush. I almost did not find it because I tried to use it. Woo! That was a mess. But I find these kind of difficult to use. Do you use brushes like these for highlighting brushes? I have a ABH highlighter brush that I use. I don't really like it because it looks like a Cynthia doll after I washed it. But yes, I got this brush and it says MSRP $14. So that already covers the price of the bag, right? Next up is the Sweet Chef Oat Milk Latte Cleanser. Gently cleanses and removes makeup. I wonder how it smells. Let me see. I wonder if it smells like a latte. My hand just popped. It kind of smells like the Tatcha face cleanser. It doesn't really smell like a latte. Next up is the Lottie London Ombre Blush in Serene. Okay, so yet again, this is another one that I've already gotten into. It is this blush, and you can tell it's already scuffed. I've been using it a lot. I'm actually wearing it right now. I love it, but it's so cute. Usually the things that I receive through Ipsy that are by Lottie London are some of my favorites. I use the Good Girl highlighter quite a bit, and I got that, and I really like it. I've tried their little stamps before, and they're really cute. So far with that brand, I feel like they're pretty interesting. I really like them. And they're affordable. Now is the Elman Beauty Eyeshadow Duo in Lilac Skies and Breeze. So this is one of those that, oh, it's just like shimmers. Okay. This seems like a soft glam moment kind of thing, but this one right here, I am super interested in. What does it say? Lilac Skies and Breeze Eyeshadow Duo. It doesn't tell you the names of the shades, but it says on this thing right here, pro quality, ultra wearable, highly pigmented, easy to blend. There's honestly nothing not to love, that was a mouthful, about this duo. Soft shimmery pink and iridescent lavender eyeshadow shades. Wear them alone or layer them together to create an array of stunning eye looks. Tip: want more color payoff? Pack these shadows under your lid using your fingers. Okay, well, this is something that if you have eyeshadows that are matte to create depth, that might be something you can do with. I will probably try out that lilac iridescent shade because it was really pretty. But this is also kind of something that I couldn't see myself using a whole lot because I don't generally do soft looks, as you can tell, because this was almost all a flop. So yeah, I have not had any time or energy to do makeup lately. I've been exhausted. The world is draining me. But I was like, I'm playing with some color today. I'm just doing it. And I'm throwing a little wig because also my hair, it has not had a good hair day the last few days. And I'm like, whatever, it's going in a wig. Last but not least, I've got the St. Luke's highlighter in Celestial. Or is it St. Lux? I don't know. I've not ever heard of this brand. And it says the full price is $18. I don't know how much this would be because it's like a deluxe sample size. This almost seems like it could be a really shimmery blush. This almost, I don't know. I'm probably gonna put my foot in my mouth once I swatch it. Yeah, that's kind of, it's pretty, but for me to use as a highlight, I don't feel like it would be my shade. Here, let me try to... I feel like it's a little dark for my skin tone because it's just like really pink. So I could see that being like a nice little blush topper or something like that. It's very soft to the touch. If anything, the blush is really the most exciting thing in this bag to me. I got to pick that one. I like blush. I like trying different blushes. I want to find my favorite blush, and the Lottie London one was really awesome. And the highlighter that I have that I've tried by them, as I mentioned, is awesome. So I feel like I like their products. I'm excited for the April Glam bag, and I think I'm signed up for the Glam Bag X. I'm probably going to try to get out of that before they hit me for the $50 because it just doesn't seem appealing. I don't know. Somehow I accidentally hit a button because I was trying to find out more information about it. And then it was like, you will be charged. I'm like, I don't want to be charged. Like, please don't, because I don't think I want it. I enjoy just getting this. So if for whatever reason it's too late for me to cancel that, then the May one will probably be, I don't know how they come. I've never had one. I think like February was the first one that they did. It's supposed to be like this big thing with like all kinds of stuff, like $500 worth of stuff. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go finish my Kickstart and probably make another pot of coffee. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see next down below. I will have all of my social medias, my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook page, all that good stuff, just in case you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!